Production drift handling. Production drift means real infrastructure no longer matches Terraform's declared configuration. Terraform compares configuration, state, and live provider data during planning. The provider refresh reads current AWS attributes before Terraform calculates changes. Differences become planned, create, update, replace, or destroy actions. Terraform state only records changes Terraform performs. Manual console edits bypass Terraform state ownership. The next refresh pulls the changed AWS attribute into planning. Terraform schedules correction because configuration still declares the original value. On a submarine, every valve has one assigned operator because shared control creates unsafe conditions. Production infrastructure needs the same rule. One system should own each attribute. Manual edits create drift because ownership becomes ambiguous. Terraform refreshes managed resources before generating a plan. The AWS provider queries live resource attributes through AWS APIs. The refresh attributes update Terraform's planning view. Current infrastructure data prevents stale state from producing incorrect actions. Terraform treats configuration as the desired end state. A changed live attribute becomes a planned update. Apply sends only the API operations needed for correction. The resource returns to the declared configuration after apply completes. Some attributes are expected to change outside Terraform. The lifecycle block can ignore selected attributes. Ignored attributes stay unmanaged by Terraform during future plans. This prevents repeated corrections for attributes owned by another system. Production drift should be reviewed before correction. Unexpected drift can indicate manual edits, automation conflicts, or unauthorized changes. Account identifiers should come from validated inputs instead of embedded values. Validation blocks rejects malformed account IDs before deployment.